Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I will show you how to find liked videos, photos, comments on Facebook. Absolutely on any device. Please write, did my solution help you and did you manage to do it on your phone? If you have any questions, let me know below in the comments. I will definitely read and answer. Subscribe to my channel, put likes. Let's begin. For this, go to Facebook. Further right bottom corner, open the menu. In the upper right corner, click Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom and find the Activity Log tab. Then here we click on Your Activity across Facebook. Then we open Comments and Reactions. And we can see the comments we've left and likes. Click on Comments. And we can see the most recent comments. We can view it by clicking on the three dots. And View to see our comment. If we don't like it, we want to delete it. We press it and click Remove. We can also see the posts we liked. We click Likes and Reactions, and we can see what likes we've given to the posts. We can also click View if we want to remove the likes or delete the story. We click the check mark. Select and click Remove and remove again. Then click Submit, and it's completely deleted. If you liked this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. Write comments if it worked for you to do it or not, and I'll be sure to read and respond. Goodbye.